first thing to do is boil 12 cups of water, blanch the pork bones for 5 minutes, and these are my water chestnut, guys. I need to clean this properly and remove the skin because it's very dirty. And this is lily bulb and Solomon seal, Codonopsis root, and lemon peel. This is almond seeds and lotus seeds. And pistachios, this is, you need to crack the shell and boil for a few seconds so that easily to remove the skin, guys. This is black mushroom or Auricularia Polytricha. This should be soaked for 15 minutes, guys, and then wash and clean the pork bones.
1 hour later.
All my ingredients are ready to put in to the cooking pot right now. So I'm going to put all the ingredients in the cooking pot all together. For your information, guys, this herbal soup is good for COVID infections that are linked to long-term symptoms such as fatigue, shortness of breathing, joint pain, cough, and lost ability to smell. And this soup is also known to support lung and spleen IQ energy to improve breathing and digestion, and treat yin deficiency, which will help reduce inflammation and enhance moisture so that the phlegm does not become thick and dry enough to scar the lungs. Total cooking time is 4 hours, and first 15 minutes is higher fire and then turn into a low fire until 4 hours. So this is my soup after 2 hours. I need to stir it, guys. I will continue to boil it for another 2 hours. 1 hour later, I have to stir my soup again. And add some salt to taste. Stir it and boil again for another 1 hour.
1 hour later.
Finally, boiling time is complete. My soup is ready to drink, and I can smell, guys, that it's really delicious. If you are interested about this Chinese traditional herbal soup, guys, you can check the description below, and all the information you need are there. I like to eat some of the ingredients like water chestnut, pistachios, and almond seeds. It's yummy. The soup is very tasty and absolutely delicious, guys, promise.